the end of a run, you've got custom length jumper wire. There's a 5-foot section and a 10-foot section. Coaxial connector. Got a 1-foot to start, and then it goes into a 25-foot section around. And we just ran that 25-foot all the way around and then ran the jumper up to here. Got a 1-foot and a 3-foot. It looks like a 10-foot run coming up to this joint. The junction at the top is a Y splitter and feeds off that direction. We only go back halfway on this just for a little bit of dimension on the roof. Can't see it very well from the road, but there's a couple of zones you can see it from. And then continue another run, looks like an actual 10-foot section. Another Y splitter goes out and finishes off this ridge, and then feeds a 10 and a 5-foot extension wire connected together. And there's a 1-foot section, and then it goes right into a 10-foot section, so we could do the light clip strip. So that zone was done by itself, just a 11-foot run. And then this zone across the front was done and was a complete section. Looks like 25 feet for the front peak. You've got your connection down here, and you finish off with a 10-foot and a little 1-foot at the end to get that to fit. So no tools, light clip strip. I down clip on fascia because I don't want to get water in the sockets. Can't do much about the ridge clips, but you know, we'll do a little bit of up clipping.